Well, so what is Budmo? Well, I'm sure by now all of you are aware that Budmo are the online expert when it comes to spare parts. And the best point is that they have the spare parts for all vehicles available in India. So even if your car is out of production now, maybe you have a large generation model, even then they have the spare part available. They have the entire catalog. And the best point is that they have the same spare part from a host of different component makers, which gives you great flexibility in the pricing overall. So check them out today. Check out the app. It's available both for iOS as well as Android devices. And also check out the website for the latest schemes as well as offers. Budmo.com, the expert of online spare parts. So I'm standing with my favorite car, or one of my favorite cars, the Maruti Suzuki Swift. Now you might say, what's all new on this car? There's not much in terms of design, but this of course is the accessory package. They've lined this car up with a lot of accessories and a lot of kit. The front end gets completely redesigned bumpers, and of course this is an add-on body kit. You also, of course, there's a black effect and the sticker which says Swift, so it looks different from everything else out there. Dual tone shade, of course, because you get that on the ZXi Plus, and you also get a stripe on the roof. But I'll show you the changes on the inside because that's where most of the changes are. Now, once you jump inside, you'll see this Alcantara style seats. They're not Alcantara, but styling is like that, and very comfortable. The Swift has always had very nice and snug seats, and it's so different on this car. Lots of red because it's sport version. And of course, red lining here as well. Now this is the AMP, but of course you can choose this even on the manual, and there's no differences in terms of styling. The back end also is similar, and of course this really enhances the look and feel of the Swift. Someone who wants to have a personalized car, something which looks personal and very different from everything else out there, will enjoy this package. And now let's show you the back seat and also show you the boot after that. The back seat also is very similar, lots of sticking around. Very similar, space-wise it's the same, but again the same kind of fabric, same kind of materials, again very sporty and good quality. Quality-wise it's quite good. This is available at the Maruti dealerships, and again black strip here, and again add-on kit at the bottom and black and white effect over here on the rear lamp. So what do you think of this car? This of course is an accessory package which you can get at the Maruti Suzuki dealership. Lots of black here as well, and definitely this car stands out from a sea of other hatchbacks on the road. Anyways, enough of the Swift before you say that it's my favorite car. And why is it my favorite car? Because I used to own a Swift, and if you want to check out my video review of the first generation Swift, which I own, do check it out in the description box below. Anyways, now let's head out and show you some other cars over here.